Hey traders, let's play everyone's favorite game live from Miami Beach. Bang, buy, bust. So we're gonna go over three stocks. One stock I want to bang, one stock I want to buy, and one stock I want to bust. Let's first start with the stock that I want to bang, and it's probably gonna shock everyone, but it is actually Wells Fargo. WFC, the ticker symbol is there. Wells Fargo actually seeing some bullish November call buying with the worst chart in the world. It's like you wake up in bed and you look at yourself and your hair's all messed up and you're like, oh God, what did I just do last night? It's kind of how I feel. But Wells Fargo, I don't want to get married to it, not at all, because that daily chart is horrendous. But I do think we could possibly see $24.5, $25 per share. So that's about a 10% rally from where the stock is at right now. Just as we see rotation into financials year in. I mean, they're freaking horrible, man. So any kind of bounce, I just want to bang it and then get out of there. And Wells Fargo, a stock I want to buy. A stock I want to buy here is actually oncology stock, and that's Clovis Pharmaceutical, ticker symbol CLVS. I personally think it's very undervalued. It's around like a $5 per share stock, and any positive news, this stock could catch a bid to the upside. I believe Baker Bros are in the position in that one too, a big hedge fund. And then lastly, a stock that I want to just bust. I love this game. A stock I want to bust here is PayPal, because PayPal, they had news they were going into the cryptocurrency space. The stock soared about 10%. The next day gave back nearly all the gains. The stock just had earnings and decent numbers, but the stock sold off, and names like Visa, MasterCard all took a hit on earnings. I think this is more of a no stimulus deal. People are worried about these credit card names and such, and PayPal just a little bit overextended for me. So I just want to bust it and maybe pick it up here, but let it fall down a little bit. It's a little bit too up in the air still right there. So let me know what you think about the video. We covered Wells Fargo, Clovis, CLVS, and then PYPL. PayPal as a name I want to bust on. Leave a comment. I can't wait to read them. They should be good. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Lance Ippolito. You can find me with some crazy pictures. It should be entertaining.